show you how to make the Madeleine. Eggs,
Yep.
butter, you need honey, you need brown sugar, pinch of salt, baking powder, and flour.
So be careful when you zest to don't
Get the one.
yeah, don't get bitter.
Okay, that's good enough. So we put that on the stove to melt. Until it's fluff. When you whip, the arm almost don't move and the wrist just like that, you see? Yeah, mostly the hand and the wrist, not too much the arm.
Pour it over while you are whisking like that, you don't have any lump.
See, the mix is a little soft, is no lump, so it's good.
Yeah. That you're gonna pour, you see between the two fingers, take the bag. You're gonna pour inside and you stop, and then you cut here, like that you don't put.
This hand will help push the pressure. You don't put pressure from here, you put pressure from here. So that's why you got to have your hands open a little bit and tight, so you can, not too much, voila. Okay. Go a little bit, voila. Go a little bit straight in the
stop
center.
Pushing, stop pushing, voila.
Voila.
Stop pushing and you cut.
Okay, now we're gonna bake that at 375.
Yes, 375, 4 minutes.
4 minutes.
Okay, so you put the tray here, and you take them by hand and you put them inside, without the tray.
Yeah.
Okay, close. Alright, 4 minutes. Timer. Take it with you.
Cut the corner here.
Yes, ready.
Okay.
Turn off the timer. Okay.
This is a perfect ending of the meal.
Yeah.
And a perfect ending of cooking together.
Yeah.
Next time I cook with you, it's in New York
Yay.
at Restaurant Daniel.
Yeah.
Okay? I'm waiting for you there.
Good job.